Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Fusion's oil light. First, get into your vehicle and turn the ignition key to the on position. It's important not to start the engine, but ensure all dashboard lights and accessories are powered on. This initial step prepares your car's system for the reset process, allowing you to access the necessary menus. Next, you'll need to find the setup button, typically located on your instrument panel. Press this button repeatedly. Keep pressing until you see a message on your display that reads OIL life equals % hold, reset equals NEW. This screen shows your current oil life percentage and prompts you for the next action. Once you see the OIL life message, locate the reset button, usually near the setup button. Press and hold this reset button. You'll need to keep it pressed for a few seconds. The display will then change to show OIL life SET to 100%, confirming that the system has registered the reset. Finally, to verify the reset, turn your ignition completely off. Then, start your engine as you normally would. Check your dashboard display to ensure the oil change required light is no longer illuminated and that any related messages have been cleared. Your Ford Fusion's oil life monitor is now reset to 100%, ready to track your next service interval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.